Class we are going to learn about sets. Operation on sets means like that when algebra we are doing operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division as well as the law of brackets. Now here in set there are some operation. First operation is union. Union of sets means two or more than two sets are there. Symbol of union is U. Let's A and B are given two sets. Here we are taking two sets, but you have to take more than two sets, no problem. Sets of the element either in set A or in B or in both means none of the element is repeated here is known as A union B. If you take three sets, then according to distributive property, first we have to complete two sets union and then we have to do it third. By roster method, it is denoted by A union B such that curly bracket start x slash x belongs to A or x belongs to B. Now some properties which we study in algebra is same as that. Some properties of operation of union, that is for three sets A, B and C, and fourth one is universal set. So what is universal set? Here universal set means that U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 6 and C is equal to 1, 2, 4, 7. So here total 4 set, but we are getting one set such a way that remaining set is must be subset of that. So A is subset of U, B is subset of U and C is subset of U. So if one set is getting that all the sets, remaining sets are subset of it, it is known as universal set. So A union B is equal to B union A means here again order is not consideration. If you take A first or B first, then that is known as commutative law. Associative law means we need three sets. So we are taking bracket start A union B bracket over union C is equal to A union bracket start B union C bracket over. That is known as associative law. Now A union null set, it is read as 5 is equal to A. So we say that A union 5 is equal to A. That is known as law of the identity elements, otherwise 5 is the identity elements over union. Like that way in addition identity element is 0 and multiplication identity element is 1. Here identity set is null set over union. Now A union A is equal to A, that is known as idempotent law. Means you take any set and take union with it, you get same set answer. Now universal set union A. So obviously we are getting U, that is known as law of U. Now here we are taking three sets, that is A, B, C and U is known as universal set. See, don't confuse between the universal set and the sign U. So universal set is equal to A union. So the universal set is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Set A is equal to 1, 3, 4, 5. B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 6. C is equal to 1, 2, 4, 7. So we saw that is known as closure property. Means here first law A union B is equal to element of A, set A is equal to 1, 3, 4, 5. Element of set B 2, 3, 4, 6. So A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you take B union A. So the element B come first and the element of set A comes second. So answer remaining same. So that is known as derivation of first law, that is commutative property. Now third law, that is you take any set and do the union with null set, that is 5, you get the set itself. So RHS. Set C has how many elements? 1, 2, 4, 7. So that is 1, 2, 4, 7. Union null set is equal to 1, 2, 4, 7 is equal to set C RHS. That is known as the 5 is the identity element over operation union. Now you take any set and take the union with universal set, you get the universal set. So here I am taking set B. So LHS is equal to set B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 6. Universal set is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is the element 3 is repeated in the both, but we have to write down once. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is equal to universal set is equal to RHS. Now idempotent means here I am taking B union B is equal to B. Instead of that you have to take C union C is equal to C, but you have to write down the elements of the with respect to that set. So RHS is equal to 2, 3, 4, 6 union 2, 3, 4, 6 is equal to 2, 3, 4, 6 is equal to B is equal to RHS. So here we are to all the row except this. So what you have to do here, three sets are given. First of all for RHS, find out the union of B, whatever the element you are getting, that union with C. That is known as equation number 1. For RHS, you have to do union of B union C, whatever the answer is coming, that you have to do union with A, that is known as equation number 2. Always if your calculation is correct, then equation 1 is equal to equation 2, that is known as LHS is equal to RHS, and that is known as associative law. By this way, you have to prove all the laws over operation union. Thank you for watching.